In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom background in Microsoft Teams. This feature is perfect for adding a personal touch or ensuring a distraction-free meeting environment. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Type in Microsoft Teams to find the official site. Once the page loads, you'll notice the option to sign in. Click on that and proceed to enter your login credentials. Remember, you'll need to have an active Microsoft account to access Teams, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. Now that we're signed in, let's take a look at the menu options. On the main dashboard, locate the calendar button. It's usually on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on the calendar will show you a list of your upcoming meetings. Find the meeting for which you'd like to set a custom background and click on it. Once inside the meeting details, you'll see a join button. Go ahead and click it to enter the meeting setup interface. Now, joining a meeting gives you the option to configure several settings such as audio and video. Here's where the magic begins. Make sure your camera is turned on. This will give you the option to adjust your background settings, but don't worry, your camera won't activate in the meeting until you're ready. Look for the option labeled Background Filters. You should see this near the audio and video settings. Click it to reveal all the available background options. To the left of this menu, you'll see a button labeled Add New. Click on this button to upload your own custom photo as a background. When you click Add New, a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you can navigate through your computer files to find the image you want to use as your background. Once you've located your image, click Choose Photo in your File Explorer to upload it. Your selected image will appear as one of the background options. Click on your custom background and you'll see a preview of it in your video feed. Ensure it looks just the way you want it before confirming. If everything's set to your liking, you're ready to join the meeting with your custom background. And there you have it, a unique background for your Microsoft Teams meeting that reflects your personality or mood perfectly. Customizing backgrounds can help you maintain a professional appearance or simply add some fun to your video calls. Don't forget, you can change it as often as you like to keep things fresh. Thanks for watching and don't hesitate to leave comments or questions below. Happy meeting!